Hello, welcome back again into my live stream. Wait, I think I got some problem with my internet. Um, let's take a look at the speed test. Oh, network. Oh, why is 100% at 9 Mbps? Why? Wait. What? Why it say 100%? It's kind of weird. Ooh, wait. This one, right? Ethernet. Wait, I need to check what. Like yesterday, it's working fine. Why so slow? 100% at 9 megabit per second. Like, are you sure? It's look like mistake. How about if I using Wi-Fi? Oh yeah, this is what I mean. Sorry, bro. Sorry, there is something wrong with my PC. Let's see. Now, let me see again. Ah, it's 100 meg. Yeah, this one's good. All right, this one's good. I think. Yeah. Now the speed is back again. All right. Sorry. Okay, so I got a found really interesting question about this. So anyone know and easy to do this from within Bricks dynamically pull the page plus review schema from Google Review. Yeah, you can do that using API. But what I wanna try is, can we make a form that people can submit some kind of the review form using a Bricks native form. So I'm gonna try a little bit, and then later we can create. So it's kind of like let's say we have like a receipt the website, and then we need some review from reader or user who browse the web page, and then later we can create a schema or structured data from from the review itself. Let me see. What should I do? I think it's better to have custom type, so we can create use ACF. Oh yes, already active. Let's create some CPT. Let's call it review. Oh no, post type. Review. Filter image, we don't need that. Oh, we need that. No, we don't need that. Customer field. Yeah, we need that. Has archive? No. URLs for an item and items can publicly queryable. Yeah, I think required to use the block editor. So in REST API, we can close this. Visible on the front end. Public. Probably like this. Yeah, we'll leave it like this. Review. If you take a look at, let's see the schema for review. Can we use English, please? The review is short. Let's say we are gonna make a recipe. How to item this structure data. No, review. Review snippet. You get support rating for the following feature. Okay, receipt. We also support review for the following schema type. How to add structure data. Schema review type restaurant. Change it to, let's say, recipe, image, the image of the food, name of the recipe, surface cuisine, seafood. I think it's the category of the food, probably. Price range, it's using USD. Telephone price range, why USD? Review rating type, rating field 4. So this is for publisher, Washington time. Okay, publisher. Do we have a publisher? Wait. Nested review. Okay, simple review. Nested. I think what we need is no. Aggregate rating. What is the aggregate rating? Restaurant poster rating value, aggregate rating value, base rating count. So what is the sample? I think we only need this, right? So on the recipe product, we only need to pull the average of rating, the total rating, and then I don't know, the maximum of the rating value, and then the total of vote or people who give a rating. So we aggregate rating. I think we can instead aggregate rating. The brand aggregate rating. If you set or guideline, okay, technical guideline. Make sure to mark up available by many people. Dive out with an if a critic will product by the Steam review, then make sure the review content or the content you mark we recommend only accepting ratings that are accompanied by a review comment. What not required is okay. It's not required, but can help your users see supporting detail. Okay, so we need to show the review, also the content of the review. Okay, we'll do that later. We're gonna add some field group. Let's attach it to the post type equal review. So let's say so what is the rating for an individual review if you mark? So what field do we need? Like name, the rating, name, and then rating. Only that. Offer. Oh, where is the? I see this one. No, 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 no. Simple review. Wait, let me see. I'm not sure. Let's see. Person Bob Smith, Organization Washington Time. Should I say AI? Okay, why not? Let's just Gemini because it's Google. We are following Google recommendation, so I think it's better to ask Gemini. What is create form for what too many typo. Username, how the review want to be identified. Okay, so it's like name, star rating, typically 1 till 5. This is the hero metric for CEO. Okay, hero. Okay, review body, comment, a text area for the user to share their experience. Okay, receipt ID, a hide or read only field to link the review to the correct recipe. Okay, this field how hard for item review, the name of the recipe. If you review rating the number out to the person who wrote it. So I have website it posts where Display name, email, okay. Store rating, review title, review content, description. Huh. Yes, 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 please. Let's see. Um, no. How is the... Oh, wait. Yep, multiple people. Okay. Author, John Doe. The person is, we need to username or name. This will be automatically. Review body, we need, I think we can use review body. Okay. So for a simple review, we don't need a title for that. We don't need a title for that actually. So we only need, so we will use the post title name. I think we can use post title as name, and then so this one post title as a name, and then we will make it simple first. We'll make it simple. Post type review. So one custom field. This is the post content. This is the post title. Okay, let's see. Post type review. Edit. Editor. Wait. Why I don't have editor here? Why? Why there is no editor here? See. If I enable this disable Gutenberg, even the classic editor is not working. How are you? I'm just arriving. What are you going to make? Hey! This is the schema specialist, Rolando. This is the guy. So I want to create a formula for let's say the post type book, receipt, or movie. I want to have a formula form on that page, and user or the visitor of the website can submit the review based on the form, and then we will get the data from the custom post type. Okay, the formula will save the data into custom post type review, and then we will get the data and serve it as a this one, let's say the recipe. Sorry, the review schema. in this case, in this example, which I will make it for the recipe page. How should I do it, Rolando? How? So I have a plan to create a simple form, which is so the form field is the name of the person, the content of the review, and then the rating value, the rating star. Probably the user can choose 1 until 5 star, and then we save it to the custom post type, and then we use those three data, then make a schema from it. Do you think it's already good enough, or do I need some another data to collect from the user when they submitting the review form? I think let's yeah. Review text. I think we use number. Rating. Yeah, rating 1 till 5. Number. Validation maximum value is 5, minimum value is 1. Require, yeah, instruction. Yeah, I think this one. So its name, the review content, and then the star rating. Is that enough? Or what do you think? Let me see the schema you have to see what data you are going. Okay. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's pretend that this is the receipt. So I have like website, a collection for recipe from around the world, and then each of this recipe, of course, for each post, I will create a form, attach a form to it, and then let's see. Oh yeah, I will make a simple post. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Why? Okay, post title. Okay, let's just use form. So this is what I mean. The form, name, email probably, and message we are going to change to review. Okay, so use the text area, of course, name, email, review, and then the rating. Select radio checkbox. Alright, this one. Radio value. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this one. Yeah, let's make it simple first. Let's make it simple first. 1, and then let's put this, and then this will be saved as submit. Sorry, action. Let's go with create post. Post title is the name, post content is review, post meta key, meta value is the not name. Why name? Rating. Okay, this one, rating. Wait. Rating. Interval, yeah, I think because we use number. And the meta key is, can we choose this? Rating. SCF. This one. All right, let's see. Okay. Oh, wait, what is the post type? Eh, eh, it's came to the why it's have on the post? Why? Oh, where's the option to choose post status? No, no. Connect to the post data. Eh? Oh, post type. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Then, okay. All right, it's draft. Okay. I need to add some rating. Some review. Post type is review. Okay. Bricks. Sorry. On review. One. Review. Why is not save? Why is not save? Uh-huh. Interesting. Uh-huh. Oh, wait. I would recommend using microdata instead of JSON. Why? Microdata. I read. Okay, this one. Mm-hmm. You don't have to write the answer directly from what is on the front end. Oh, okay. So that means I need to create a query to show the review that attached to this recipe, and then I and then the HTML, the HTML tag, and let's say the DOM should be following this, right? Or no? Okay, let's see. Okay, so like this. So we have like attribute item scope, but this is the list of our review, and and we showing at and we show this in in this recipe post. Let's see on the below like that. I see. So what is the benefit or the advantage using microdata instead of JSON? Is there any special benefit? Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, we can do that. So we create a loop and then we follow this attribute with this value. Mm-hmm. I see. So that's why you say that I don't have to create the JSON if I use microdata, and it will make easier or simple, something like that, right? Okay. By the way, why the form is not save the rating value? Why? Mm-hmm. Option 1 per line. Set option as value label. Uh-huh. Uh, where do I activate the bricks debug? Wait. Huh? Where is the debug? I want to activate debug. do we have do we have the option? I just sent you email. Okay, let's see. It's more complete than Google. Okay. Schema or LG? Review. Okay, this one. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Review. Is it review or creative review is part of the creative work? Right. Or is it aggregate rating? What's that? The average rating, aggregate is average. Average. Okay. It's only average. Okay. I see. I see. So we show only the average rating, the total of the people who vote, customer review, yeah, something like the WooCommerce. I think on the product they have like review on the usually on the top. This is the maximum value of the. I see. So we don't need to list the review on the receipt post itself, right? At the end of the page are the okay. We have an example for that. This one. I see. Okay, so this is the rating for this book. Okay, and this is okay. So this one, only this, right? If I only want to show the aggregate, the rating, this one, right? And then if I want to show a review, I use this, right? So the people review goes to this, and then the average of rating from that review goes to this. Is that right? I think it's right. I think it's right. So we need a name. What's name? It's title. Author. This is the user who filled the form. This is the automatically we get it. This is, yeah, I think. So we need one thing, one new field for a name. I think for the author. We use this as the post title of the review. We add a custom field for the username. Yeah, I know. I see. I see. I have a little bit. I have more understand at this point. I see. I see. I think, yeah, as Rolando said, that it is kind of easier to make this HTML tag and then attribute. I see. I see. Okay, okay, okay. I get it. I get it. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Really, thanks. I really appreciate that. All right, I get it. Okay, let's. Before I forget, let's add a new field for a name. So we're gonna change something. Name. X. Okay. And on the single post, we are gonna add more field. So name, text your name, your email, your review, name, email, review, title, text title. Okay, let's use this. Name, email, title, review, rating. Then we map the post excerpt to the review, post title to title, and meta key post name. Which name, select field is name. Sanitize text field, yeah. All right, name, let's say John. Email, this one. Title, this one. Okay. No, it doesn't save. Why? Probably wrong. Let's read some breaks from action. Where? Academy. Okay, this one. Ooh. Mm-hmm. This one. The most suitable field type. Meta key property price. Any option when you create the form field. Any option. Okay, meta key. Delete. Bricks automatically detect if a post meta key belong to the SCF, and it will auto populate the option for the field. So you don't have to specify any option when you create the form field in the form element. What's that mean? What's that mean? Name. 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 Rating. What's that mean, by the way? I see. Name DS. Okay. But the rating is number. Integral, interval, I think float, probably float. Let's sanitize it using float. Post title, post content, post review. Post except review. Post meta rating. How if I should not if I don't sanitize the value title review name, then title, review, name. Okay. Hmm. Rating. Meta value is this. Create post title, set to post meta, set to array. Ah. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's probably there's some name, email, title, field, ah, whatever. Send. Name. Uh-huh. Why is not work? Wait. Rating. Number. Field name rating. If I choose text, it's not really good. Oh, so it's alright. So that's why the text, the number is not. Ah, I see, I see, I see. This one, this field, this radio field. Send option is variable honeypot. Ah, see, I see. I see, I see, I see. So the output of this field is array. So it's either I have to manipulate use filter to not use an array. This one bricks from grid post meta value because the filter is active during the execution of the grid post. It provides an option to modify the meta value based on the custom logic. Okay, to see data formatting, something like that. I see, I see, I see. All right, so, all right. No, 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 not good. It's not good, and it doesn't cool. What I want to do is I want to create a custom control for this. The probably the new. Can I the new type? Can I create? Wait, wait, wait. That picker file radius select image URL number. I wanna create a new type of this, and then so it's special. It is specifically for a rating. So when I choose that the new type, there will be the option is minimum to maximum the value, and then I want to add option to choose the image or icon, so we can click that icon later and then set the value based on that. All right, I think we are gonna go with the form. Oh no, query filter. Okay, let's go with form. Let's go with the form. Include element. We're gonna go with the form, and let's take a look at how form let's see, like, yeah, the field type. Let's find type. Let's move top. Field control group is field. Set control group field. Okay, so this one is, so this is the type, this control field. So I'm gonna add a new type here. Can I do that? Set control function, set control. Okay, let's see. Set control dynamic data element order. Loop object. Why? I think we do have one. Control brick setup. This one, brick setup control option. Add filter brick setup control option, brick query run control option. Control option, let's see. Wait a minute. Where's my form? Brick control, brick setup control option. To add or remove control option. To add or remove control option. Element control group, add custom control group. Spawn. Element post control. This control. Can I? No filter, bro. Field control field, control group, element form, extend form, element name, form control. All right, I think we can. Probably we can. Probably. Let's see. Bricks. No. So we can modify control. Why? 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 Why I cannot element post control? Change to create file. New file. And change code to breaks on from control. Then let's see, and then add control field and add option email type. Okay, and then add new option. All right, let's see. All right. Font. New rating option. Add field. Oh, we have that custom field. Okay. Name plus the value attribute. Okay. I'll change it to change to I custom field to rating. And if it select, then add new control, then show, then add new show new control. The control type is the minimum and maximum, so control 1 text field minimum rating, text field maximum rating, and icon field or icon. All right, so the plan is if I choose this custom field, then there will be a should be showing another new control to input field for number, minimum and maximum rating, and then the third field is for the icon. We can choose icon. Then later this radio we will make this radio as a it's an icon which is clickable, like star rating, something like that. Require type rating. Okay. From the code, it look good, I think. Let's see. Let's see. This name is one. Let's see. One. Sorry. Oh. This is look good. Okay. Let's say the icon and then red start. Hmm. Let's save and name. Oh, nice. I don't know if I'm wrong, but I see many developers focus on complicating things instead of trying to simplify them to generate more time to get finished. Yeah, I believe so. No shop, firm, or office doesn't need a website with a function beyond the basic. They require some of form, a WhatsApp button, connecting Google Review with the website. Really simple thing. Um, Most of them probably, yeah. Probably, yeah. And I see many developers trying to play super complex websites in WordPress. I don't understand it, or maybe I'm wrong, but I believe my job is WordPress is to put food on my table. I see. Probably there are some like two perspective. Um, as a technical developer, probably, and then probably some guys who um work as a business developer. I think in the technically in businessly in the business side, technical side, there will be should a improvement, right? Both of those sides should be should be um how should I say it? Like, yeah, I mean, like, there are kind of people, many kind of the people, and I think many kind of the developer. Some are focused on the technical aspect. They want to try something new, improve the existing one for the product itself. But the other things, like you, focus on business, getting the client, and then um yeah, I think they mainly focus on how business works. But sometimes the developer who tend to focus on the business, uh, when they want to improve the size of the client, like the bigger project, the complicate the stuff, right? Usually, not all, but usually. And then the most complicated uh, project will need require a custom development. So it might be not can't be a ship with the existing plugin, cannot be a ship with the standard settings, standard option, or the native of functionality of the plugin and theme. Some of them need to be really customized with a really complexity. And that's how the probably that's how when the developer who focus on business will have a need, um, a help, uh, yeah, from the developer who improve the technical aspect. And then the guy who improve the technical aspect probably, yeah, will need to have a partner with someone who focus on the business. So I think that both side has a, yeah, different path of how they do things, but both need to exist. Both type need to exist. especially I'm working as a freelancer, and then I don't really take much the development of the website from the scratch to the final product. Usually the most of the project I have is a custom, related to the custom functionality, which is cannot be achieved by the plugin or the native WordPress itself. So it's small money, like 4 hour, like 5 hour. Yeah, it's small money, but probably some of the developer get the money from that. Yeah, like just doing small thing, fixing small thing, and then adding the features by themselves. But sometime what I experience is um, when when there is functionality, even if there is a plugin that can cover the functionality, the client doesn't want to pay money for that plugin, especially the plugin who has a subscription system. They have to pay like yearly, and then some client doesn't want to that. They want to just like one of lifetime solution, and then it's more cheaper to us developer. I'm sorry, it's more cheaper to hire a developer to do some, yeah, small work, than to buy a plugin or something, especially when we talk about the complicated stuff. Yeah, but you're right, both types should be exist, and then should be like probably um it's good to have both. What the hell is this? Hmm. And from my experience, like doing some complicated stuff or just like playing around, especially for the beginner or for the people uh, who only start promoting their service, like a beginner or some a fresh graduate, from the programmer thing, development thing, um, making some complicated tasks, and then share with the people, like on the GitHub. Probably, yeah, we know the GitHub, like a lot of people make some complicated stuff, the new stuff, extend the existing one, and then from that they have opportunity to show their skill, to make a showcase of what they capable of, and then um, when they doing something difficult stuff technically, yeah, he might be recruited, or he found like the client or people who want to what is this, who need their service, of course. If you cannot afford subscription and you just they don't have the business because $9. Yeah, yeah. No, no, bro. No. I'm sure there is the, especially how should I say it? Like, you won't believe that the price for the average price for a website that client offer on the marketplace here on my country, Indonesia, it's around $20. It's for a whole landing page with like 9 or 10 section with um the formula thing. The landing page, they have some formula, and then they have some like a simple, if it's simple, like, the newsletter stuff. It's I think it's depend on where we get the client. But of course, as more as we have, we get more portfolio, we get more skill to as our value, then yeah, we will get a bigger project, bigger money, and then like you said, like $9 will be nothing if we already got the the big client like that. I always see, like, if I get a client, I always see like where they come from, and then I will compare the currency of mine and then them. If it's more bigger, then I will provide them with I will offer them that with a with a different type of service that then I offer to the, let's say, if I got the client from, okay, the economy on that place is not really better than mine. So of course, it's depend, even if it's the same project, different client, different country, different economy, and it will be different. So if you talk about like the static value of the plugin, I think yeah, that's one of the thing that we need to consider. But you're right, like for on average, like yeah, people should have afford, like if they don't, if they cannot um, um apa, if they don't, if they cannot afford to maintain the website itself, like yeah, probably you have standard, like okay, for maintenance it's $300, $400, $500, and for this project we you need to pay this, pay this. Yeah, of course it's different, but I'm sure there will be uh different standard. But in general, you are right. In general, you are right. The businessman, the business, the right business should be afford. I should have a budget for a website if they want to develop the website. If they want to have a website, they want to own the website. Of course, they need to afford some kind of money. But yeah, I believe that's we should focus on more CEO. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The CEO things, yeah, of course, that's one of the surface. But fortunate, but usually I never take the job for CEO. I never take the job for that. I usually call my friend. So let's say client make website for me to me, and then yeah, I built it technically. But for the CEO, the knowledge about that, uh, the technical aspect for that, especially related to the search engine mechanism, algorithm. I usually call my friend, okay, okay, you take this job, and then it's different. It's different price, it's different package, usually different service. It's not just one whole package. It's usually like that. The maintenance different. Yes, yes, as you said, the development is different service, separate service. Maintenance is separate service. The CEO is separate service, because yeah, it's kind of hard, and I know the CEO thing is it's not easy for me, especially for me. Not really easy. I don't know, like how should I where should I start from? Wait, render. But I agree with you. I agree with you. If you want, if the freelancer or the people who work as developer and then work himself um individually, yeah, he need to take care of things about the business aspect. I agree. I really agree. But as more as we gain a complex project, we need to have more knowledge, the technical aspect. At least we know like, okay, this can be solved by this plugin, and then this cannot be solved by the plugin. This will be a custom and something like that. Hmm. I forget that we need to show. So this the review, the custom option that we create. This one. We need to output um the rating icon maximum rating 5. We need to output this icon and then replace this your review. No. We need to find out how we render this icon into the front end here. Maintenance cost is actually nightmare for some of the client. It's nightmare. Especially when we have like major upgrade of the plugin, and then like from version 1 to version 2, and then suddenly it's break. Suddenly the developer of the plugin added the hidden feature we don't know, and then it changed a lot of things on the front end. Especially the client see it, it's nightmare. It's a real nightmare. Other than that, many developers act like cook, not like chef. The chef is the one charged in the business. While the cook thing in the food is important when it's only a tiny part of the fish. Yeah. Yeah, probably, yeah. Yeah, I mean, for the technical developer, I think he will cook. He'll make something. But I do so. But I do think so. I do think so. Especially if when we uh, let's just say we work on the company, the agency, just a small agency, 3 or 4 people. Uh, there should be one who focus on the technical aspect, and then should be one who focus on the business aspect. I think that's you. That's true. That's true. When we combine it, um, and then we want to work by ourselves individually, work ourselves. Yeah, of course, we need to have a mindset of the a businessman who manage their service, and then while we maintain our knowledge or skill about the technical aspect to gain a more prospectful the client, more bigger client, the more complex the web page itself. I do think that WordPress is not actually the simple CMS. It can be extended to whatever we want as long as we have like knowledge. We can push it. Some people still some people, if you talk about the e-commerce, some people probably will say the Shopify. Why? Because um you don't need to be a developer to use Shopify. You just like buy the service. I think it's subscription, and then it's offer the template. You setting by yourself. But of course, let okay, the Shopify too, they can be customized, but it's kind of hard. It's not like the WordPress. There are so many plugins, but Shopify is still small. One of my clients have Shopify, and then I asked to customize some checkout step, adding the local. They want to integrate the local shipment, local delivery. So the price will automatically showing up, but unfortunately there is no plugin for that. And then so the developer should and then the and my he find a people who can make integration with the if with the shipping service API, something like that. Yeah, I mean, while the technically business should be uh work side by side, probably something like that. But I agree. Yeah, I agree. If you agree. How's Kafu? Once you have that, then focus on whatever you want. I would like to suggest you that you work on your blueprints and your bricks components so that you can create website in series. In series. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like um stable, you know. I can get a stable job, stable works, finding a client regularly. Yeah, that might be good. That might be good. Mm. But I don't know. I'm not really. Um, last year, I think, yeah, I want to make something that I can sell, not as my service but the product. But it hit me up. Then yeah, I just want to yeah, just make something lah. I'm collecting my mind right now. Yeah, just playing around with this development, something like that. Yeah, but probably are you right? Oh fuck, wait. Yeah, you're probably right. Sooner or later, we should think about how we sell our business, we sell our service as a real businessman, not as a developer, but as a businessman itself. I think you're right. I agree with you. I agree. Sooner or later, yeah, everyone will have to think like that. Either you work by yourself, manage your own business, or you work for other company. By knowledge you have, by portfolio you have, by skill set you have. So it's either both of those. You focus to make your own business as a development um development service, website provider service, something like that, or either you work to the other to some company, some agency out there. The option is more like two, only two, right? I'm still thinking how to this control render. Render. Uh, how do I render that? To render the rating field on front, you will need to. Okay, let's see. What's happen if? Wait, where is the file? Oh yeah, this one. Ah, this one. Ah, yeah, I know. Yeah. I saw. It has a render attribute. It has a set attribute. Oh no, not that one. Form control modification. Mm-hmm. Rating field render. Bricks form field type. Uh-huh. Bricks form field type. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Rating field render. Rating field render. Bricks form render. Huh? Add action. Bricks form rendered field. No. Why? Hook in the form. Brick add action. Bricks form render field. Huh? Where do you get this action? Where do you get this? See, this AI is lying. He pretend he know, but he doesn't check it. He doesn't check it. Why? Why he doesn't check it? Check it first. This stupid AI. Man, it's Quan, owned by Chinese Alibaba. So yeah. Well, I don't know, but probably most of the AI is like this. Probably, I don't know. Just conspiration theory. No, I have better understanding of how bricks render form field. I see. So I guess we should tell him to learn the file first, the feed the data, feed the basic knowledge to the AI, and then what the heck is this? Add bricks from render field. Add filter. Interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Bricks element from control. To you might also tapi control. No, I mean like how we modify the existing form element. Element and attribute. No. Ele element setting. Setting. Hmm. Hmm. Front end render data. Content the HTML content that about to return. Add unique ID to each heading. Front end render data. Content post area. No. Element. Let's see element, bro. Please element to use. Control. Yeah, how we render the new control? You might learn from this. Continue. learn doc element form control. No, no. Do we have bricks element control? Okay, we have our bricks lab. The user element control view can be retrieved for use in the element output via element setting. The user enter value. Function of bricks element. How? How we render the control group in front end? How? Nah, this one. Oh, okay. Element render attribute. See, bricks element control, bricks element set root attribute, bricks element render attribute, bricks element render. Bricks element render attribute filter. Not I think these two these two filter can be a the first clue. See you later. Take care and greeting from Mexico. Hey, Rolando, thank you, thank you. You also take care. Thanks for coming to my live stream again. See you. No, the render attribute. No, it's not attribute. Bricks element render. This one. No, why? No, it's bricks element render. Do we have that or wait? Probably, but let's see. Let's see.
Saya belum bisa mainnya. Yang saya serius.
Writing field render. Okay, this one. Not really sure, but mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Bricks element from field type. Why he keep why he keep bricks element? Yeah, of course. Why? Error. Why? Cannot use object of type. Nav menu. Snippet plugin. Snippet plugin. From new option. Okay, this one is the problem. We don't have this one actually. Yeah. We don't have that one. It's lying. Why? Cannot use object with bricks element nav menu as an array. Nav menu as array. What's that mean? Front end render element. If element inform is a setting field. Okay, this one. Front end render element. If element inform is a setting field. One question: have you thought about creating snippet that convert image into WebP when it's uploading? Or no? I use a WebP. There's a free plugin, and then it's really popular. It has like a big user. It's called WebP. I'm not sure, but the feature is all there. It's automatically converted, and then for the existing image you can automatically convert it also. I think it's good. Expensive? No, you can use the free one. I use this. Let me see. Let me show you. I use this, and this is good. I use this one. WordPress image WordPress. That is free. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Probably. Wait. Yeah. This one. I think convert. I think surfing. Yeah. See, replacing file with the WebP, and it's free as long as you have like I think it support engine or Apache. Not sure, but yeah, this one is good. It's really good. It's free, and it's unlimited. I think it's free. There is no restriction of how many image you can. Try this. Really good. I always use this. some people use the third-party service to convert and serve the image using CDN stuff. Yeah, blah blah blah. But I always use this. It's really good, and it's lightweight. The plugin is very lightweight. Not sure, but why? Eh, sorry. Oh, this one. Huh? Where? BRXA? What the plugin you usually use, Rolando, for WebP, converting the image to WebP format? Uh-huh. Oh, I know, I know, I know, I know the problem. I have like multiple the filter without wrap in the function, so probably this one. No. Not that one, not that one. That one, not that one. This one, bro, this one. This one. Function HTML element. Element name is form. Function, no, output. HTML element. Is it same or no? I think it's same. Cannot type bricks element nav min rs. Wait. I know there is something wrong with no. Wrap in function name. I don't use any. I convert image with Apple software, and then I see manually. Oh, it's kinda, yeah, but it's effective. I think it's effective, but I don't know. Does it efficient? like cut the time the time. Or you can use bulk, yeah. Your software can bulk convert. I don't know. Most of my client is just doesn't understand about that. They just want to have, yeah, I have like this photo from camera with the big size, and I wanna just upload it. I don't want to convert it myself. Yeah, so like that. So yeah, usually I just um install a plugin. Writing to form render modification. Bricks form render. Nah, this one, bro. I think this one. Hmm. Add rating data field attribute. Okay. Why? Cannot use object of type bricks or is in object. Where? I don't see anything. See. I know there's problem with this. Cannot use other bricks. Element of menu is array. Ah, array. What the fuck is that? We're gonna log it. Let's make it log. Let's make log for it. Make log of make log this. I have an automation on my Mac that allow me to convert 100 images in less than 10 seconds. Man, that's really freaking cool. Also resizing the image to a maximum of 1000 pixels to further reduce them. Man, that's really cool. I don't use Mac, but I use this one, the Fastun image viewer. So for you guys who use a Windows or a Mac, what kind of software you use, Rolando? Is it free? Is it native from Mac OS, or you differ, or you have to download and install it? For a Windows user, probably you want to try the free software called Fastun Image Viewer. It can bulk resize the image, but unfortunately, it doesn't support converting to WebP. Okay, nice. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Pixelmator Pro. Pixelmator. Okay, guys, if you are using a, I don't know, people watch me or not, but whatever. If you are using Apple software, Apple product, Mac OS, yeah, it's Apple product, right? You can use Pixelmator Pro. It can bulk converting the image to WebP, then automatically resizing it. So you can try it. Pixelmator Pro. Yo, 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 yo. If you heard this, give me the affiliate link. I can sell you software. Okay, let's see what's happened. Uh-huh. Why so many? Processing element. It doesn't even work. Yeah, it doesn't even work. If element name form text, email, text, okay. Font rating field at index 4, yes. Apply rating field transform for field, yes. Bricks for front end render element. If element name is element ID, element name, we have this one, or okay, element name heading, okay, element name here one. Okay, so it's found. The new control is found in the form element. Yes, it's right. Great. Okay, but rating field rendered, form render modified, form control, form control, from controls, form field type, field icon, field maximum rating, field icon, field. Nope. Render as a visual rating control on the front end with selectable. I don't think so. Let's see. It's still empty. It's still empty. It's still empty. So why? See. Field meme rating, maximum rating. Let's check the form element. Not sure, but if field type equal to image, field type equal image equal, okay, this one, this one. If field type image equal, if field id rating, huh? If field type rating, yeah, uh for rating, yeah, if field type rating. From render modification front end render element, okay, let's put this one. No, we don't use web ahead. We will not use web ahead. This one is delayed. Okay. From control, from render attribute, and this is the CSS. We will not use this. We will not use web ahead. So I put one file. I will use snippet plugin to paste the code. All right, let's see. It doesn't. So the review is not rendered on front end. Learn from. Yeah, you need to learn from the existing element. That's how AI should do. If he doesn't basic knowledge, then the answer will be messed up from how like okay. We need to guide it. We need to guide it so he doesn't answering with the false information. Don't panic. Yeah, I'm not panic. Why should I panic? Form control mediation. Form control mediation. No, 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 no. Oh, 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 okay. File. Why he keep insisting that we have a filter called bricks form fill type? No, we don't have one. We don't have one. Why? Oops. Why? Uh-huh. No. Wait. I remember that I make where is that? I remember I make something. No, no, no. Not that one. No, not that one. Make upload file name lowercase. Yes. Wait. I know. Where? Maybe account, maybe icon capture. I think. Ah, wait. I know. Maybe content plugin. Maybe icon capture. Yeah, I see. How? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Add capture to form. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Inject capture HTML from an element. I form before field. Add capture to form. Oh, okay. Form before field. Add capture to form. Add capture to form. Mm-hmm. All right. I see. This is how. Wait. I know. Because I remember I already make the plugin for the capture. So the plugin is to generate a capture and then append it to the form. Okay. So I think we can reuse it. Oh, we can. Okay. History restore. Good. Okay. So chain brick. Then I'm gonna use a create window. I think I know how to do that. Form ID form, function add form, function add capture to form, inject this one. Bricks form inject. Okay, this one. Sing what? Yeah, I know how to do that. I know. All right. Yes, apply. Let's see. Just let's see. Let's quick check. Uh-huh. No, not really. Rating icon, minimum rating value, type rating, none. Wait, why? Inject icon capture. If element setting enable, element in form. Field type rating. Oh yeah. All right. I don't think so. I don't think it will work. We don't need this one. No, it's still empty. Let's take a look at. Rating field render. Okay, let's this one. Rating field render. Yeah. From rating field. But it doesn't get a render. Why? Input name form field. Data attribute, input data attribute, label rating, minimum rating, maximum rating, data icon. So it will output the input, right? Look for input and all data attribute in class. Look for? What's that mean? Look for? Found and processed. Found and processed. Found and writing field. No. It doesn't render. No, it's no. No, it's wrong. Oops. Field name. Field name. If it's a field name, find the input field and that is no. Verify. Oh, we need to create instead of find existing one. Go with from let's see how they render it actually. This one. Public setting render. Public setting render. Yeah. It's still wrong because we're not creating it. We find the existing one and then we modify the HTML the render the HTML which is rendered. Let's see. No, I have good understanding. Nah, you lie. Nah, you lie. You're not. You doesn't have a good understanding. I know. The question is, does the hook I use is right? No. Equal should equal. Okay, I don't know. Oh, okay. See, we can now render. We now can render it. But why there is two? Oh, input hidden. Oh, why there is two? Okay, so this should be hidden. What is this? Writing container. Okay, this is the good news. Okay. Okay. Why double? Okay. Why double? Oh, I see. That's because the one made by JavaScript, the the other is made from the PHP code. So we need to class name. Oh yeah, this one here. Create a div with this class name. Hmm. Yeah. You need to also the JavaScript code. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Look good. Look good so far. Look good. API error. Yeah. Whatever. Um. Mm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. And how? Create post. Rating, meta key rating. Meta value is rating. Uh-huh. Well, I'm sure this will not work. But whatever. Okay. Nah. The value is not, if you take a look, no, we don't have, we still doesn't have a debug for it. Whoa, well, whatever, that I mean maximum rating is not, yeah. Wait, let me test one thing. Field rating, maximum value is 7, the start should be 7, right? Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, you guys cannot see that, sorry. This one, yeah, here there is like 7 rating, but I can click that. But anyway, it's looking good. Let me see on the front end. Shit, my face is okay, well, it is. There is still 2 rating container, from group. Okay guys, I think we are done for today. We'll continue tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. It's looking good so far. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching my stream. Rolando and other guys, see you on my next live stream.